Hey guys! In this video, we're going to be checking out the top 5 best gauge wire for solar panels that are available on the market for their true quality. You can check out the product links in the description below. So let's get started with the video. At number 5, we have the AAKL Solar Extension Cable 30 feet 10 AWG. This product is an ideal solution for smaller scale solar installations. The cable supports up to 1000 V DC voltage and a maximum current of 30 amp, making it suitable for household photovoltaic setups. It's pre-equipped with male and female connectors on both ends, simplifying installation and allowing for easy connection to your solar panels and other devices. The build quality is impressive, with the cable designed for long-term outdoor use. It's resistant to UV rays, fire, and extreme weather conditions. However, with a maximum voltage of 1000 V, it's a bit limited compared to the higher-rated wires on this list, making it less ideal for high-capacity systems. On the upside, the durability of the material ensures a lifespan of up to 20 years in outdoor environments. This product is great for those on a budget or with smaller solar setups, but it falls short when compared to the higher voltage capacities of other products. Its compact size and easy-to-use design make it perfect for DIY enthusiasts, but advanced users might need more robust options. Overall, a solid choice for basic solar needs. At number 4 is the SJZ Sunrun Solar Extension Cable 10 AWG. This product offers a solid balance of performance and durability, featuring tinned copper conductors with 84 strands for excellent electrical conductivity. The cable is rated for DC voltages up to 1800 volts and a maximum current of 70 amps, making it well-suited for medium to large systems. It's worth noting that the cables come with 2 pairs of solar connectors, which add convenience during installation. The XLPE/XLPO sheath provides resistance to wear, UV rays, and environmental elements, ensuring long-lasting performance in outdoor conditions. However, the cable's material composition makes it slightly rigid, which might not be ideal for tight spaces. This trade-off is offset by its excellent resistance to chemical corrosion, flame, and aging. The product has been rigorously tested and meets CE and TÜV standards, so you can trust its quality. While the SJZ Sunrun cable offers excellent technical specifications, the rigidity of the material might be a drawback for certain installations. Still, it's a reliable option for outdoor setups, marine applications, and RV systems. If you're looking for a robust and high-capacity solar wire, this product is worth considering. Coming in at number 3 is the Udu DNZ 2x50 feet solar panel wire. This 10 AWG wire is a fantastic option for those looking for durability and performance. With 84 strands of tinned copper wire, it offers low resistance and excellent conductivity. The IP68 waterproof rating ensures the cable can withstand harsh weather conditions, and the flame-retardant XLPE/XLPO insulation adds an extra layer of protection. Its temperature tolerance ranges from -40 degrees Fahrenheit to 194 degrees Fahrenheit, making it suitable for extreme climates. What sets this product apart is its 2V certification for photovoltaic solar applications, providing peace of mind when it comes to safety and reliability. The cable's sturdy build makes it perfect for a variety of environments, including rooftops, underground installations, and even marine setups. The ability to bury the wire or expose it to direct sunlight without compromising performance is a huge plus. While the Udu DNZ cable has a lot to offer, its slightly higher weight might be a factor to consider for those with space constraints. Nevertheless, it's an excellent choice for those who need a dependable solar wire for both residential and commercial applications. The included 18-month warranty and dedicated customer service team further add to its value. Taking the second spot is the Mucurf solar panel wire. This product is designed for those who require longer cable lengths without compromising on quality. Each package includes 100 feet of black wire and 100 feet of red wire, making it ideal for large-scale solar installations. With a robust XLPE jacket, the cable can handle temperatures ranging from -40 degrees Fahrenheit to 248 degrees Fahrenheit, ensuring reliability even in extreme weather conditions. The tinned copper conductors consist of 84 strands, providing excellent conductivity and minimal power loss. The cable's 1800V DC voltage rating and durable construction make it perfect for demanding applications like RVs, boats, and off-grid systems. Mucurv has also ensured that their product undergoes rigorous quality testing, so you can count on its performance. One of the standout features of this wire is its flexibility and ease of installation, despite its length. However, the higher weight and price point might not suit those with smaller systems or tighter budgets. Overall, the Mucurv cable is a premium choice for heavy-duty setups, offering unmatched durability and performance for long-term use. And finally, at the top of our list, we have the Bateria Power Solar Panel Wire Kit. This 50 feet black and 50 feet red set of 10 AWG wires stands out for its exceptional build quality and performance. Made with 100% tin-plated copper conductors, the cable offers ultra-low resistance and maximum efficiency, which is critical for a reliable solar installation. The dual-layer XLPO insulation provides excellent protection against UV rays, extreme temperatures, and other environmental factors. What sets the Bateria Power Kit apart is its industrial-grade durability. Rated for 1500 volts DC and 54 amps, it meets rigorous TÜV and IEC standards, ensuring safety and reliability. The cable also boasts an IP68 waterproof rating, making it suitable for outdoor use in various climates. Whether you're installing a system on your roof, RV, or boat, this wire can handle the job with ease. With a solid 4.7-star average rating from hundreds of satisfied customers, the Bateria Power Kit combines quality, reliability, and affordability. Its features make it versatile enough for both beginners and experienced users. If you're looking for a well-rounded solution for your solar panel wiring needs, this product is undoubtedly the best choice on the market. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to these products, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.